Now I'm going to make what I call ranch-ish dressing. Now this is a very popular dressing. And when I said I was going to make some for to dip some ribs in a party, somebody said, "Why would you make ranch dressing when you could buy it?" And I said, "Why would you buy ranch dressing when you can make it?" It's all a matter of perspective. And by making it, you can make it your own. Instead of sour cream, which is in most ranch dressing, my take uses non-fat Fage brand Greek yogurt, which in my opinion is the best yogurt in America. But you can use full fat if you like. I use the zero fat. You can use full fat if you like. My ranch is also a little tangy from the lemon juice and a little spicy from the Peruvian ají amarillo paste. Okay, all right, so we're going to start off. I'm making a double batch, so we're going to start off with a cup of light mayonnaise. Then we're going to add a cup of buttermilk. Then we're going to add a cup of the plain, non-fat Fage brand Greek yogurt. But again, you could use the full fat if you want to. Then we're going to add a quarter of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ají amarillo paste. This stuff goes a long way, all right? And I'm not going to do a heavy teaspoon. I'm doing kind of a light teaspoon, all right? Then we're going to add the onion powder and the garlic powder. It's twice what I give you in the notes. We're going to add some freshly chopped chives and some freshly minced parsley. And then we're going to use our handy dandy stick mixer and mix that up. All right, now we're going to add some salt, and we're going to add that to taste, okay? So we're going to add the salt. So, you know, if you're not confident with salt, start light, and then you can always add. And we're going to add a little bit of white ground pepper. Why do we use white ground pepper? So that it doesn't make black specks in the dressing. Now that's not so important for this dressing because it already has the green flecks in it from the parsley and the chives. So we're going to mix that up. All right, now we're going to taste it. Okay, I think that's perfect. But if you want more salt at this point or more pepper, just add it. You can see photos of a dish using this ranch-ish dressing at my website. I'm sorry, at my Instagram, which is @ChefsApprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.